Hello class, this is a video tutorial on quadratic functions part 5. In this video we'll be looking at calculating the equation of a quadratic function. To calculate the equation of a quadratic function, f of x equals ax squared plus bx plus c, 3 points of the functions is required. So here we have two examples. One is very straightforward and the second one is slightly more abstract and applied in a slightly real-world scenario. Okay, this may be broken up into two videos depending on the length of the video. Here we go. Find the equation of a parabola that passes through the points -1, -3, 0, 3, and 2, 21. Well, first we need to understand that our parabola is a quadratic equation. It's a quadratic function, sorry. So we know that our function will look like, well, the one that we're looking for, plus bx plus c. So now take a look. By substituting the points into the function, we can find some values. So take a look. We know that if we do f of -1, it will come out to be 3. Sorry, -3. But if we actually substitute it in, we can find values of a, b, and c. Take a look. If we did a, -1 squared, plus b times -1 plus c, this should equal -3. Let's evaluate these ones. -1 squared is just 1, so we get a. B times -1 is -b, plus c equals -3. Okay, so we're not quite done yet. Let's now do f of 0. It says that f of 0 equals 3, but if we substitute this in, well, that will be a 0 squared plus b times 0 plus c is equal to +3. Evaluating all of this, this will give us 0 and 0, leaving us with just c is equal to -3. We have one more to go. We have f of 2 equaling 21. So f of 2 equals 21. Well, substituting this into our function, a times 2 squared plus b times 2 plus c is equal to 21. Evaluating this first term will give us 4a plus 2b plus c equals 21. Now, if we treat this as 3 different equations, equation 1, equation 2, and equation 3. So let's take all 3 equations and let's line them up. So we're given equation 1 as, equation 1 is a minus b plus c equals -3. Equation 2 is simply c equals, oops, not -3, +3. Oops. It started off here, made a mistake. This is just +3. And that's equation 2. And equation 3 is 4a plus 2b plus c equals 21. And that's my third equation. So now if you just consider this is just a series of simultaneous equations. But for this, I'm going to substitute, well, c equals 3. It's very straightforward. We can substitute that into 1 and 2. So I'm going to substitute 2 into 1 and 3. So here's my first equation, a minus b plus, put some space here. Actually, I'll color code it so you can see what I'm trying to do. It's going to be, here's my first equation, a minus b plus c is equal to 3, so plus 3 equals negative 3. This is my equation 1. I'm going to evaluate this, so subtract 3 on both sides. This will give me a minus b equals negative 6. This is my new equation 1. I'll take equation 3 as 4a plus 2b plus 3. So this equation is now here. But c is equal to 3. And this is equal to 21. Evaluating this, we get 4a plus 2b equals 18. And this is now my new equation 3. I'm going to rearrange this so that I have an expression from here. So I'm going to make this a equals b minus 6. I'm going to substitute this. I'm going to substitute this into equation 3. So I have this expression here. I'm going to substitute this into my expression there. So let me draw a line. So it's now 4 times a, but a is this one, so it's going to be b minus 6. And then the rest of the equation stays the same, plus 2b equals 18. Evaluating this, we get 4b minus 24 plus 2b equals 18. Collecting like terms, 4b plus 2b is 6b. Adding 24 to both sides, like that. This will give me plus 24, 30, 32? No, 42. Yes, 42. Dividing both sides by 6. This will give me b is equal to 7. Well, I'm going to sub this now back into 1. Going back here, substitute it back into there. So it's going to be a is equal to 7, take away 6. That's equal to just 1. Well, we have C. I'm going to highlight all the points that we need. We have C equals 3. We have A equals 1. And B equals 7. So the equation of our function, let's do this in black. The final solution is f of x is equal to 1x squared, or just x squared, plus 7x plus 3. Because B I took from here, and C I took from that solution. So I hope that gave you an insight into calculating the equation of a line from 3 points. I'll see you in the next video for the second example. Best of luck.